Ready? 5 seconds to go. Start. As per the Webster's third New International Dictionary, Volume 2, the term maintenance means the act of providing means of support for someone's stock, the provision, supplies, or funds needed to live on stock. In words and phrases, Volume 26, the term maintenance means sustenance, support by means of supplies of food, clothing, and other conveniences stock. The doctrine of maintenance, which was in the form of common law doctrine in England, later after Queen's proclamation in 1958, the British left alone the personal laws of the communities, that is, marriage, divorce, property, succession, guardianship, and rights of the woman, except for reform initiated from the communities within stock to give a dignified life to destitute wife and children equivalent to that of the husband and father. The British introduced a provision under the Criminal Procedure Code 1898 stock. Subsequently, it was felt that the parents too are required to be included in the said welfare scheme, and the same has been incorporated under section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code in chapter 9 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 stock. The scheme of maintenance under the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 is to prevent vacancy and to provide to the neglected wife, children, and parents a cheap and speedy remedy stock. This remedy is irrespective of other remedies of such neglected wife, children, and parents under any other statutes, such as Section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1976, Section 20D of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, and any other statute subject to the outcome of ultimate determination by the civil court to which the parties belong, that is, the personal law or any other law in existence, applies on their rights and status stock. Section 128 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 constitute a complete code in itself and provide summary procedure and remedy for granting relief to the destitute wife, minor children, and parents stock. Perusal of the record shows that the petition under Section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973 qua the respondent number 1 along with father of the respondent Narendra Singh Salkan, respondent number 2 was filed on 16th July 2003, and notices were issued to the respondent stock. Later on, the petitioner withdraw her claim qua the respondent number 2, that is Sri Narendra Singh Salkan, void her statement made on oath before the learned Metropolitan Magistrate on 4 March 2004, Stop. Thereafter, the respondent number one arrayed as respondent herein referred to as the respondent. Stop. The respondent, despite service of notice, he refused to appear before the court below and proceeded with the ex parte on 5th March 2004. Stop. The relevant paragraph of the said order is reproduced here under. 4. Ready reference to